Is American politics now shaking the very foundation of its economy? President Donald Trump has targeted the U.S. Federal Reserve, accusing one of its governors of fraud. But is this about justice or pure politics? Lisa Cook. A name suddenly at the center of a storm in Washington. Appointed in 2022 by President Joe Biden, Cook became the first African-American woman to serve on the Federal Reserve's Board of Governors. Her term was meant to run until 2038. But now, President Trump has announced her removal, accusing her of mortgage fraud. According to Trump, Cook signed documents for 2 homes in 2 different states, claiming both as her primary residence. On his Truth Social account, Trump wrote, "It is impossible you intended to honor both commitments. This is fraud." CNN has reviewed the documents and confirmed Cook did make both claims, but so far she has not been charged with any crime. Cook has strongly denied wrongdoing, vowing to fight her dismissal in court. The question is, can a U.S. president actually fire a Federal Reserve governor? By law, a governor can only be removed for cause, meaning there must be solid legal grounds. Legal experts say the evidence looks weak, raising doubts about Trump's move. Why does this matter? Because the Federal Reserve is the beating heart of America's economy. It sets interest rates, controls inflation, and regulates banks. Its independence is critical. Presidents cannot normally interfere. Trump, however, has been pressuring the Fed to cut interest rates. Lower rates mean cheaper loans, stronger businesses, and an edge for U.S. exporters. But Fed Chair Jerome Powell has so far resisted, keeping rates steady. Now, with Lisa Cook's removal attempt, the clash between the White House and the Fed has exploded into public view. For Americans, the stakes are high. If Trump succeeds, it could set a precedent for direct political control over the central bank. If he fails, the showdown could drag into a legal battle. One thing is certain: U.S. politics and economics are on a collision course, and the world is watching.